Ever wished you could tweak an image without the hassle of downloading software or navigating complex editing tools? Well, with Microsoft Edge, you can. When you see an image on the web that needs some editing, you don't need to download it or use a program like Adobe Photoshop for simple editing. Using the Microsoft Edge browser, you first need to find the image on the web that you'd like to edit. It could be something from Google, Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere else, as long as it's a JPG, PNG, or other image type that's recognized by Edge. Then, follow the steps below. Right-click on the image and choose Edit Image. You'll be thrown into the Crop tab. Now you can start editing. To tilt the image, flip it, mirror it, or rotate it. Use the controls at the bottom of the screen. For adjustments, choose Adjustment to change brightness, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, color, and more. Choose Filter to add various filters. Choose Markup to mark up the image and add annotations or inking marks. Once you finish editing your image, you can save it by clicking the blue Save button at the top right of the open image to immediately download it. If you want to copy the image to your clipboard, choose the Copy to Clipboard option. It's really that simple. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel to watch such tips and technology-related videos.